For those who just need your count in or something like that, it's going to be 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, so 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, not 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, just because we want to focus more on the backbeat. It provides it's way better feel. That's all. Just a nice feel. Alright, cool. Let's hit it up. And you can close your eyes, you can watch the video, it doesn't matter, man. It's not about that. It's about focusing on what you're playing and just listening. Take it in, put some headphones in maybe. That would be a big help just to focus in on this. Alright, let's do this together, man. Let's breathe. You can choose how you choose to breathe, but aim for something a little bit more like longer breath out, short breath in. So, Hold it there. Just increase the volume. That's a beat. Okay, let's try every beat now. Good. Okay, don't focus on anything else now, just for your breath. Big breathe in. And out. Last about 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's some coffee. Ugh. That probably doesn't help with meditation because it's like exciting for the brain, but it feels good. Really, hang on, I just need a cat.